Have you caught wind of the SEC giving the thumbs up to Bitcoin ETFs? If you're wondering what everyone is talking about, don't sweat it. We're going to break it down together. So, let's start with the basics. What exactly is a Bitcoin ETF? Imagine you could invest in Bitcoin just like you'd buy a share of your favorite company on the stock market. That's what a Bitcoin ETF lets you do. You're essentially buying a piece of the Bitcoin pie, but in a way, it feels familiar like trading stocks. Now, there are two flavors of our pie here: spot Bitcoin ETFs and Bitcoin futures ETFs. The key difference? Spot ETFs are like buying a slice of the real Bitcoin cake, while future ETFs are more like betting on the price of the cake in the future. The big news is that the SEC just said yes to spot ETFs. That's a big boom, as it means Bitcoin is now easier to acquire for broader audiences like stockbrokers. So, how do these spot Bitcoin ETFs work? Picture this. The ETF company buys a bunch of Bitcoin. Then, they offer shares of this Bitcoin stash to folks like us. The value of these shares move up and down with Bitcoin's price. It's like having a share in a gold mine without having to get your hands dirty mining the gold. On the plus side, it's super user-friendly and you don't need to be a tech whiz to handle Bitcoin. On the downside, Bitcoin can be like a wild roller coaster price-wise. And just like any managed fund, there are fees involved with these ETFs. Could these ETFs shake up Bitcoin's price? Possibly. They open the door for more people to invest in Bitcoin, which could pump up the demand and prices. But remember, as with every other crypto, Bitcoin can be unpredictable, with lots of factors playing tug-of-war with its value. Think of Bitcoin as a popular new restaurant. If people are more interested in dining there, the buzz grows, and maybe the prices go up. But if a trendier restaurant opens up nearby, suddenly the first isn't as hot anymore. That's a bit like how Bitcoin's value can change based on investor interest and market trends. So that's the scoop on Bitcoin ETFs. They're a fresh, more accessible route to Bitcoin, packaged in a familiar stock market style. But as with any investment, they come with their own set of risks and rewards. It's always smart to do a bit of homework before jumping in. Got any burning questions or cool thoughts? We'd love to hear them in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed our video, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel for more down-to-earth crypto and blockchain talks.